Introduction to Babbel Offline Mode.
Learning a new language with Babbel doesn't have to stop when you lose internet access. With Babbel's offline mode, you can download lessons in advance and study anytime, anywhere. This feature is perfect for travelers or anyone with limited connectivity. Let's explore how to enable offline mode, download your lessons, and keep your language learning on track.
How to enable offline learning.
To use Babbel offline, first ensure you have the Babbel app installed and you're logged in with an active subscription. Open the app while connected to the internet. Browse your course or language and you'll see a download icon next to available lessons. Tapping this icon will download the lesson to your device, making it accessible even without Wi-Fi or data.
Managing your downloaded lessons.
Downloaded lessons are stored directly in the app. You can view which lessons are available offline by looking for a checkmark or downloaded tag. If your device is low on storage, you may need to delete some downloaded lessons to free up space. Simply tap and hold the lesson and select the delete option to remove it from offline storage.
Tips for a smooth offline Babbel experience.
For the best offline experience, download lessons ahead of time when connected to a reliable internet source. Keep your app updated to avoid any glitches. Remember, while most lesson content is available offline, features like speech recognition may require an internet connection to work fully. Charge your device so you can study without interruptions during long trips.
Offline progress sync and troubleshooting.
Babbel tracks your progress locally while offline, then syncs it to your account once you reconnect to the internet. If your offline lessons aren't available, make sure your app is updated and check device storage. Logging out may remove downloaded lessons, so stay logged in for seamless access. For persistent issues, consult Babbel's help section or support team.